The Journey Zoomer is a joystick-controlled mobility chair you can control with just one hand. So, let's get moving. You can put aside these boxes and remove your new Zoomer. It's just 52 pounds, lighter than most powered mobility products. Simply pull this cable, and just like that, the Zoomer unfolds. Remove the joystick with its mounting bracket from the box. Attach the joystick to whichever side you want to operate. In this case, the right-hand side. Screw the joystick in here, tightening both screws with the provided Allen wrench. Feed the joystick cable and connect it to the power cable. Remove the battery from its packaging and snap into place, between the rear wheels. To charge, simply plug the power adapter into the charging port under the joystick control panel. The red light shows that it's charging. When fully charged, the light will turn green. When these two red levers are moved forward, the Zoomer can be pushed like a manual wheelchair. But let's push them back now to engage the motor. Let's get ready to zoom. Power on. You can see the charge level here. Use these plus and minus buttons to set your speed. Here's the horn. Look out, everybody, because we're ready to drive. Which is simple. Just move the joystick in the direction you want to go. It's very simple to drive. Forward, left, right. You can even do a complete U-turn in place. And now you're ready to zoom out into the world. Journey Health and Lifestyle. Enjoying life never gets old.